See, as you are all aware, that in October, following the directions of Honorable Chief Minister of Goa and the directions of Vardi DGP Goa, in North Goa we had started doing special camps for persons to get their tenants verified. And today we are glad to share with you that during the whole of 2024 we have crossed the figure of 1 lakh. Almost more than 1 lakh tenants have been verified during the whole of 2024 up till 31st October. And just in the month of October, because of the efforts of our staff, we were able to verify around 55,000 tenants. A breakup of police station wise I have shared with you in a press note. You can find those details there. But in all police stations, citizens were encouraged to get their tenants verified, and we have seen a very positive response from the people of Goa, because of which we are hopeful that as the tourist season approaches, and we are also going to have certain important events lined up in November, especially with IFI and exposition. This tenant verification drive will help us in providing a safe and secure environment for these events to pass by.
So in which taluka or which police station is the highest?
इसके अंदर all police stations have done good work, but if you want to know the maximum which has been done, the maximum has been done in it has been done in Porvorim police station. Porvorim police station during this year has done around 20,000 verifications. Kalangut has done a good job. It has verified almost 18,000 tenants. Old Goa has verified around 12,000 tenants. And during the month of October also we find that a lot of good work has been done in Kalangut police station, where in October alone around 12,000 tenants were verified. In Porvorim alone 10,000 tenants were verified. Similarly, good work was done in Bicholim police station, in Old Goa police station, in Panjim police station. So in all police stations where there was a scope for getting these tenants verified, they have performed. But I must emphasize that this is at present an ongoing drive. We will, through your medium, encourage anyone who gives his house on rent to get their tenants police verification done, because that is the only way through which we are able to ensure that no bad element gets to stay in a safe neighborhood.
So still it is continued?
Yes, this is a continuous process. We will continue to do these drives, and we would encourage people to come and get their tenants verified.
But we have got some news that the police station is not taking now the verification.
No, almost on a daily basis.
Now it is
anyone yes, because as government has ordered, it is mandatory that anyone who gives his house on rent, he needs to get his tenant verification done. For this, orders have also been issued by collectors, and anyone who violates these orders, there is provision to take legal action, and legal action has been taken in around 50 cases already in North Goa.
Is there any instance in which anybody tried to give false document or forged document?
Forged document, such instance has not come, at least to my light, or I am not able to immediately recall whether such instance has happened, but so that is it.
Is there any criminal background in this tenant?
Data in that regard is being compiled. We are compiling a separate data on the number of persons who were found to have had criminal background and they had not revealed it. So we are keeping that data also.
So if anybody has not done, what is the message?
So once an order is issued by let's say the collector, then it becomes a government order, and a violation of that order carries punishment under BNS, and we send reports to deputy collectors to take necessary legal action, and on the basis of their complaint, on the complaint of the deputy collector, then we register cases, and those cases are then tried in criminal courts.
सर अगर कोई आया और अप्लाई करने के लिए आया और आपके ऑफिस से कोई रिफ्यूज़ किया कि अभी नहीं बाद में आ जाओ, तो वो भी ये हो सकता है?
नहीं, अगर कोई
Delay
ऐसा
हो सकता
करता है तो that is not appreciated. Neither do we encourage such tendencies. From us, we encourage all persons to come and get their tenant verification done. The procedures have been simplified, and we try to facilitate everyone. Sorry?
Estimated figure of tenants in North Goa.
The total number of figure of tenants I do not have, because that is also a dynamic figure. It keeps varying on a day-to-day basis. So that figure I do not have at this moment.
What percent we have covered?
So if you look at 1 lakh, then if you compare it to the population of Goa, I feel it's a very significant number. Just in North Goa, if you look, then it's quite a significant number.